If you're feeling anxiety about your future, your finances, what you do for a living, I have something very special that you may want to listen to. I'm Leandria Anca, best-selling, award-winning author. I have a television movie thanks to something I did 5 years ago. You see, I felt that anxiety of not knowing what my future was. We have spent centuries handing our power over to other people with our work, what we do for a living, how much we make, and even our finances. That structure is not working very well for us, is it? We're finding that out right now. How would you like to do what I did and take control over what you do for a living, bringing value to the planet, feeling really good about what you do and how you earn? It's possible. You see, I quit a 25-year investment banking career, and I got the kind of training to take that control, to create multiple income streams. Online businesses are no longer taboo. In fact, thousands of people are recognizing the value of getting the kind of skills where you can create something where you can control your income, work from home, in fact, work anywhere in the world when we're able to do that, and get rid of that anxiety because you're going to feel like you're in control. I quit my career. In fact, I owned the business and I had never looked back. You see, I learned through mentors, trainers, step-by-step modules because I had no background in technology. Even though I was an investment banker, I didn't know how online businesses worked. I had people there to guide me every step of the way and created what I chose. You don't have to have your own products or services. I actually didn't. But now I own multiple online businesses. I've diversified my income stream. That mitigates risk because when you have one job and that job goes away, where do you go from there? And what if you could not only learn new skills, but be in a community that's really positive and supportive, people that are paving the way for a new world where we take control and we make really good decisions, and what we do for a living is a reflection of our own individual ethics. It's possible. I've been doing it for over 5 years, and I want to present that to you today. If you click somewhere here on the screen, you can get free information and some really great bonuses and webinars on how online businesses work. What if you could do this at home? Most of us are home anyways, at your own leisure with the kind of guidance and support that's lacking in many other systems out there. This is a real education, real skills that you can use in numerous ways. We have people that are doing affiliate marketing, but we also have people that are creating coaching businesses and creating products and services in the holistic industries, and also anything that they believe in is bringing value that they're really passionate about, and they earn money doing it. This is something you're going to want to take seriously. It's transformed my life, and because of it, I was able to quit that career, that business that I owned, and get that best-selling book and a movie deal. And I created multiple businesses doing something that I feel so passionately about, and that's helping other people. How would you like to live in that world? It's possible. Through this free workshop series, you can click somewhere here on the screen or down below and get it delivered to your inbox. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. It's time to stop holding back and limiting ourselves. It's time to stop listening to what we're told is good for us. That's not working anymore. You get to participate in creating a new world. No more handing over our power with our finances and our careers. No more heart palpitations and anxiety. You can create it. It's going to take some work, but you won't be alone. You're going to be in an amazing community of supportive people who are going to cheer you on. So if you're ready to explore the possibilities, you can click somewhere here on the screen, down below, get that free video series. I'll be there to greet you. Thank you for listening. Wishing you health and safety. Blessings to you.